All right, we're doing our polar bear deck dive. It's more of a deck jump.
This is a terrible idea.
You want keep telling yourself that. Should we turn the fire on to get ready?
Be cold for a minute. Just a minute.
I'll totally turn the fire
I'm
on.
gonna fall.
I'm working on my balance beam routine.
Please don't.
Wait. Let me video.
I am videoing.
Brittany, are you still recording? Hopefully that one does.
Kevin is doing his balance beam routine.
All right. Actually, that's good. Come.
You guys.
That's good right there. Yeah. And then you get a shot going that way. Okay. We are doing our
Our YOLO challenge.
YOLO challenge. Deck dive.
Deck dive.
Except it's a backwards fall.
Our midlife crisis.
Belly fall.
Old man, go
YOLO
backwards.
/ midlife crisis.
Yeah.
/
Okay.
You guys jumping, just falling.
I don't know.
Oh wait, I gotta get you guys.
Like
I'm
this.
getting the
Oh my
deck.
goodness.
Okay.
Okay.
And then
That's good. Then
we just fall in.
when we die, we'll be ready to go in our coffin.
Yeah.
Wait, what's our life insurance like?
We're already
cold.
Is it good?
Okay, ready?
We're already cold.
We're gonna count to 3 on 3.
I'm so scared.
1.
I don't want to.
You ready?
You have to. You have
One.
to. You committed.
2, 3. Okay.
That's nothing. You're fully clothed.
Hold on. Wait. Now we gotta. We didn't quite go in, but I'll have to.
We're not doing it again.
Oh, that's hot. Are you kidding? We gotta. Now we gotta do the.
Dad, we need it.
Part two. I'm still rolling.
Okay, you can keep rolling.
Kevin's dead.
You may not have to. No, you can stop.
It's the rev.
Can I stop? Wait, you want me to keep going?
Okay, now make.
Oh yeah, you have nice snow
You
eyelashes.
might want to. I don't know if you have enough
Can I stop?
room.
Are we gonna go?
You can stop in the start again.
Am I stopping?
It was okay. I was like bracing myself.
Now make a spot for you to come back into.
Am-
Told you it was hard.
I'm really scared.
Really, you should be. Kevin's stuck.
I told you it was
I'm documenting. I'm supporting the
my
crazy.
project life for him.
Kevin, you big baby, you're making the pile big.
Yeah, you're putting snow on my side.
Yeah, jeez.
Is it going?
Yeah, I'm just recording now.
Turn the fire on.
Yeah, turn on.
Okay, and then we have
Good.
the blankets.
Hot chocolate.
Move over there.
Wait, should we run this way?
I don't know.
You guys are
Okay.
free.
You guys! Ah!
Oh my
Okay.
goodness.
Natalie, come up here. We need you to help cover. And then you gotta jump away. You gotta jump away. So no, right? Yeah, that's good. Doesn't matter. Just cover us up.
You have to get
But then you guys have to jump back.
Just turn
After you
around and
cover
jump
us.
Here, I'm
in.
gonna hold this. Let's go.
Wait, Josh, no, you gotta cover him. You don't want to
gonna
mess
die
up the
of
front.
some
Okay, we
disease.
jump down. Whoa! Ah! Okay. And now we gotta do this fast. Okay, ready?
Josh's.
Do you guys want shovels?
Can't we have a blanket inside the hole?
Natalie, you want a shovel?
That's what he's doing inside.
Okay.
You guys are nuts.
I'm gonna do it.
Okay. Brittany.
Josh,
You guys should be warm. You
Oh.
have hats on and boots. What's your problem?
My ears are warm.
But
That's about it.
and then when do I get out?
We go 1, 2, 3. After they get on, they gotta quickly cover us up. And then we go.
First, John and I get out, and then we go inside.
And then they cover us up. And then you guys have to get out of the frame. And
Gotta
then we
make sure we
go.
have the shot on the time lapse, so we'll go in and check it.
And the drone has to be calculated. Okay, ready?
Hey, where are you gonna throw snow, buddy? But where? Not on my face.
All right, ready?
Josh, dig
Oh
it
boy,
from
are you
over
serious?
here. Josh,
So we're really gonna do it?
get down, people.
Okay, you guys ready?
Oh my gosh. This is
You gotta
gonna
go
be so
fast.
Go.
Doing it for
Okay. Ah! Okay. Okay. Ready?
Dad has more snow on him.
Get out! Get out! Get out of the frame!
Wait!
Move!
No!
Move!
Dylan!
Ready?
This way.
1, 2, 3.
Are we done?
Oh my goodness!
Buried them.
Ah!
That was hilarious.